Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevrolet Traverse and I will show you which fuse and which relay to check in case your front fog lights are not working. This video will apply to Chevy Traverses made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. Now, this fuse and relay are the first thing you should be checking in case both of your fog lights are not working, because they are very easily accessible and easy to check. Then if they are good, then you will want to check the fog light light bulbs or any kind of possible wiring issue. If only one fog light is not working, then most likely you are dealing with a burnt light bulb. Both the fuse and relay will be located in a main fuse box under the front hood, which is very easy accessible. It's right here. To remove the cover, you will have a couple of black tabs, one here, one on the top and one on the left side. So you want to press onto each of them and lift up to unlock it. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, so the fog lights fuse is located right here and it's responsible for power to fog lamps relay, and the relay is in the bottom left corner. Now the best way to test this relay, just try to replace it with one of the same kind and see if it makes a difference. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.